Greetings from the LaSalle University School of Nursing and Health Sciences. My name is Kathy Sikansky, and I have the honor of serving as the Dean of the school. During this time of year, we all look forward to our Blue and Gold Days, where we have the pleasure of welcoming future explorers to our beautiful campus and introducing you to our faculty, staff, and students. We're sorry that we can't meet you in person right now, but please know we're anxious to welcome our next class of explorers and would love to hear from you if you have questions we can help you with. The current COVID-19 crisis has demonstrated the important role of healthcare professionals in battling this pandemic, and the programs within our school uniquely prepare students for these roles. The curriculum for our public health program prepares students to work in health education, health promotion, and disease prevention initiatives, and coursework includes epidemiology and statistics. This information is what our public health officials are relying on to make decisions. And one of our faculty, Dr. Dan Rodriguez, has been publishing daily updates for his students on the statistics related to the coronavirus on YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn, and Twitter. This is real-life application of content that informs policymakers and officials regarding the public health decisions that we see play out every day. This fall, we are pleased to be offering the option for students to choose the 5-year Bachelor's to Master of Public Health option. The 4-year Bachelor of Science program in Communication, Sciences, and Disorders provides students with the knowledge base needed to enter a master's program in speech language pathology. The curriculum incorporates the sciences in addition to the principles of basic human communication and swallowing processes. Students have opportunities to participate in our on-campus clinic that serves the local community. Right now, the clinic is offering telehealth services to some of the adult and children who are clients of the clinic so they can continue their services. 5-year students begin the major in their freshman year and earn a Bachelor of Science in Communication Sciences and Disorders and a Master of Science in Speech Language Pathology. Graduates from our nursing program are prepared to work across all healthcare settings, and we have the vast array of healthcare facilities within the greater Philadelphia area as a training ground. Our students have a solid foundation in the sciences and are well prepared in the principles of infection control, so important at this time of the COVID-19 pandemic. Recognizing the high demand for nurses right now, the Pennsylvania State Board of Nursing is facilitating a streamlined process to have nursing graduates enter the workforce as quickly as possible after graduation. Our nutrition program prepares graduates to turn their interest into how food and nutrients affect health and disease management into dynamic careers focused on improving the health and wellness of individuals and communities. Students can choose the traditional 4-year didactic program or the 5-year accelerated master's coordinator program, which includes a 1,200-hour internship requirement during their 4th and 5th years, leading to eligibility to earn the registered dietitian credential. Now more than ever, we recognize the importance of a healthy diet on overall health and the need for guidance from experts on food safety. In closing, I congratulate all of our accepted students. You have what it takes to join our programs and to go out and make a difference in this world. I am so proud of our alumni who are on the front lines of this crisis and pray for their safety and that of the patients and clients they serve. They are our true heroes, and I encourage you to join their ranks as LaSalle explorers. God bless.